Today we found
free hot showers by the beach
in Cabo San Lucas. Hello everyone, I'm Christian.
And I'm Tracy.
And we are Tumbleweed RV Life, coming to you from Cabo San Lucas, San Jose. So today we're just quickly rented a car, and so we're checking out Santa Maria Beach today, the public access. Really changed a lot. You'll notice that behind us there's an expedition vehicle. Here there's a VW Bug, and over here looks like that is actually living. That is a converted ambulance to a van, basically van living. So over here, as Overlander indicated, we have bathrooms and showers. So this would be a good place to come in off boondocking and kind of freshen things up a bit. And I'm not sure if we can actually find some water here, but maybe we could.
You can shower outside, right?
Yeah, and there's indoor bathrooms. Not sure if there's indoor showers. All right, and then there's access to the beach down here. So over here we actually have garbage, so we can kind of get rid of some stuff. And the showers are outside only. I do believe there is a road. At least it does show that if you're kind of 4x4, I think you can kind of come down on the side of this road and actually drive right to the beach if you're so inclined. But there's the public access to the beach, and there is the parking lot. And it's well indicated from the highway. You can't miss the exit. All right, so the couple in the yellow expedition vehicle behind us, they're from the Netherlands. They've been on the road for 7 months. They shipped their unit to Baltimore. They've been up to Alaska, through Canada, Western Canada, and now they're here in Cabo, and they hope to end up in Argentina. So their Instagram is the.yellow.nl for Netherlands. So they're from the Netherlands. So we're going to be following them. And the ambulance over here, we were told this is a Canadian, and this is his test run down to Cabo. He'll be heading back to Canada this summer, and next fall he'll be heading for his big trip. So we don't know his name or Instagram, but so I believe everything's closed up, so he's probably down at the beach. All right. So we're in San Jose. We're just stopping at the glass blowing place. Hello. Oh, I hear the furnace is going. See those? There's your bird bath, honey.
Oh, there's my bird bath.
How did they get that color? Wow. Oh, look at this. I like this stuff. See, I like the solid glass stuff, not the blown. Look at the whale over there. I love the solid stuff.
How do you say heart again?
Heart?
Heart in Spanish?
Corazón.
Corazon?
I said it right.
Look at this.
Oh, look at that.
Cactus and
Look at you guys
San
go.
Jose.
I got my corazon. I got it last time. I got it this time.
Oh, we got stir sticks. I love these. I love the little animals.
I said, no, those are mine.
Oh, look at the elephant. drugstore, souvenirs, and market. Tequila and art boutique. Lots of combo.
Speakers and everything.
Oh, how cute. Little hacienda.
This reminds me of.
Oh, look at that.
Remember that place we stayed in town? What's it called again?
That's a really pretty church. Yeah. You could probably go inside.
You can,
right?
Yeah, you can.
In the church, right?
Yep, we took pictures and video. Well, we made it to Buzzard's on the East Cape. There you go. They have some awesome burgers.
Bed and breakfast. Oh yeah, room 123 and upstairs.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿y usted?
Muy bien.
All right, and the gift shop.
In the gift shop.
Pretty much only t-shirts, huh?
We got hats though. T-shirts.
Got little books. Okay, t-shirts, hats, stickers. Oh, there's some hoodies right here.
Oh, Amanda got one.
We do it separately, miss. These the stickers are free, and it's a short sleeve, $15, okay, or 300 pesos.
Can I